Dear students, now let us look at some of the primary outsource activities. वो activities जो कि primarily या बहुत ज़्यादा हद तक जो है वो outsource की जाती हैं, उससे related एक statistics को जो है वो discuss कर लेते हैं. So transportation management is the most frequently used 3PL service. एक चीज़ तो आप clear कर लें कि transportation is the most frequently used 3PL service. ये वो service है जो कि सबसे ज़्यादा outsource की जाती है. With overall outsourced services remaining tactical versus strategic in nature. ये चीज याद रखिएगा कि जो outsourcing है आपके पास, ये companies और enterprises they plan it like in tactical in nature rather than planning it as a strategic in nature. Transportation, yes, they plan it like strategic in nature. Long term planning भी की जा सकती है कि ये contractors हैं और इनके ये carriers हैं, ये मेरा intermodal या modal जो है वो model would be like this. But the other 3PL services which are being provided, ये most of the time would be tactical in nature. Short term आप उसको लेके चलेंगे and you can change it with respect to time. लेकिन transportation would most of the time you will look at it like a strategic in nature. तो जो outsourcing है, most of the time it would be a tactical planning rather than a strategic planning. There would be कुछ statistics हैं. Domestic transportation, 80% of the domestic freight movement is through domestic transportation, whereas international transportation 70% is actually जिसमें transportation activity जो है वो outsourced है rather than having the in-house capability or company are doing it by themselves. तो ऐसा नहीं है. 70% of the time it would be outsourced. Domestic transportation में 80% of the time it is outsourced. Warehousing 67% of the time it is outsourced. So the companies, तो यहाँ से आप क्या जो है वो नतीजा अखज़ कर सकते हैं, like there are only 33% companies or enterprises, ये 33% of the time companies would be using their own warehouses. तो 67% जो है वो outsourced warehouses है. उसकी काफ़ी वजूहात है. जो specialized functionalities provide करते हैं warehouses, उसकी वजह से भी आपके पास जो है warehouses की जो utility है, that is actually becoming more and more attractive for the customers. Custom brokerage services are like 53% are outsourced. 47% of the time companies would have the expertise to go for the custom brokerage. Otherwise, it would be outsourced. Then freight forwarding is 51%. तो freight forwarding activities जो है वो भी outsource होती है. Obviously, tactical in nature, and it's like 51% of the time. So students, you have seen that most of the activities which are related to the logistics वो outsource की जाती हैं, और उसकी वजह भी यही है कि it becomes like more of a cost effective strategy. एक cost effective strategy है आपके पास, cost reduction strategy है, जिससे आपकी return on जो assets हैं that actually increases. और यहाँ पर you don't need to actually focus on your logistics, rather जिनके साथ आपने वो negotiate किया हुआ है, they will actually look it for you and they will take care of it. Thank you.